What's up guys, it's your buddy KE Gamer, and I'm here with a tutorial on how to get media box so you can enjoy free movies, TVs, shows, etc. Alright, so what I'm going to need you to do is visit the link down in the description below. This app, I'm going to need you to go here to this website right here. It's called Coconut X. So basically what you're going to do, you're going to need to click install. When you click install, you'll see the little pop-up dialog here, right? You're going to click install. I've already done it, so I don't, but normally you guys will need to click install. After you click install, it's gonna appear in your home screen, right here. And what you're gonna do, it's the first time it popped up, it's gonna say untrusted. So what you're gonna need to do, you're gonna go to your settings, you're gonna go to general, you're gonna go all the way down to profile and device management. You'll see this right here, the enterprise app, the China Telecom Corporation. I'm gonna need you to click on that, and it's gonna see, you're gonna see a trust up here. You're gonna click trust, and once you click trust, it's gonna allow you to open the app. So when you go there, then scroll all the way back to the app. You're gonna click open. When you open, you're gonna scroll down. You'll see media box right here. You're gonna click get, and just ignore this. There's gonna be pop-ups because it's ads, you know. And you're gonna close it out. Get. It's gonna pop up, and you're gonna click this button right here, install, and then it's gonna say we'd like to install. You're gonna click install, and any pop-ups, just scroll down. Then you're gonna go back out, and then boom. First time it won't open instantly, but the second time you try it, it will. It's gonna open up. Then you can enjoy, you know, your things. All right, guys, it's been KE Gamer. Be sure to like, subscribe. You know, any trouble, just put some comments down below, share. See you guys when I see you guys. Peace.